Today we are cutting in the door to go into the bathroom from the kitchen. This is an exciting time because we are making our house super functional. My name is Jess, my husband's name is Joe, and in case you're just joining us, we're building an off-grid homestead. You're watching American Roots.
Here. That's my screw. See, I forgot the counters were here. I knew they were 4 inches over, and that would give you your 28 from here. Because from that, well, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's the edge of the counter, which is right. I'm glad I didn't start cutting, because I was going to cut on that. So I'm going to drill my hole for my jigsaw turkey. Oh, that looks great. Yeah, I've noticed it's getting easier and easier to cut into the house. Oh man, we didn't cover that. Fix that board. That's all. Cut straight through the baseboard too. Fix that later. Got dust on the computer. I'm gonna be able to see that. Can't see.
You need a light?
Might be helpful.
I can shine it.
On the line.
Ah!
It's alright. Leave it that way. That's good. You can come back over here and support it. Oh. Alright. I'm tired of doing all these nails out. You'll find the pliers.
Your mom can pull them out.
It's definitely.
Miss you, Mom!
I'm gonna straighten it out after I straighten you out.
Looks like a hobbit house.
I'm gonna have it at your house.